There's a significant gap between what's taught in university and what the modern workplace actually demands. Theories and outdated practices don't prepare students for the fast-paced, AI-driven world that they will enter after graduation. The India Skills Report 2023 reported that only 16% of fresh graduates are considered employable, while the Manpower Group Talent Shortage Survey reported that 70% of employers report significant skills mismatch. At WisdomQuant, we understand the challenges of this evolving landscape. That's why we are here, to bridge the gap between academic knowledge and the practical skills that the modern workplace demands. Our programs are designed to help you stay ahead of the curve, equipping you with the AI-driven tools and insights needed to succeed in your career. We reached out to industry experts with a simple question: what are the key skills that you would look for while hiring a fresh graduate or an early-stage professional? We then compiled the responses, and the results were not surprising at all. Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, leadership, problem-solving, critical thinking, business communication, and storytelling. All of these with a layer of high industry standard frameworks were the most common tools and skills identified from the survey. We then took it up a step further. We considered Microsoft Excel as an example. Today it offers more than 450 formulae, which can be a daunting exercise to master. We reconnected with experts and delved into our own experience. And we identified 30 to 35 functions that are most commonly used, which will help you do most of the work that you need to do at your workplace efficiently and correctly. We identified similar hacks for the other tools and skills. Now the biggest change in the modern workplace is artificial intelligence and generative AI. It is just not a good-to-have skill, but a prerequisite for success. If we don't embrace artificial intelligence as a partner, we risk being left behind, trapped in mediocrity. The reality is that many common jobs will soon be automated. Staying relevant requires more than just traditional education. It demands a proactive approach to integrating AI into our daily work. So having recognized this, we decided to add a layer of AI, and in particular generative AI, to each one of the tools and skills included as a part of the finishing school program. We started with an introduction to AI, and then we go straight into prompt engineering, which by itself is a much sought after skill today. We help you understand how large language models work and how to write the most effective prompts for the likes of Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Perplexity AI. We then help you use these tools to create compelling CVs, prepare for job interviews, and incorporate them into each of the tools and skills that are a part of the program. This knowledge will certainly extend beyond to other workplace and role-related tasks. We would like to help you be comfortable with AI and technology. We want to ensure that your skills stay updated and relevant in the future of work. The best part is that we use compelling storytelling frameworks and real-life industry case studies as a part of our basic approach. Our learning management system incorporates thousands of quizzes and assessments to ensure mastery at the end of the day. Now all of these are absolutely beginner friendly, and by the end of it, you will be experts. At WisdomQuant, we are just not another training provider. We are your partner in navigating the complexities of the future. Whether it is mastering AI tools, crafting a resume that gets noticed, or acing that interview, WisdomQuant ensures you're not just keeping up, but leading the way. Hello, my name is Amir Nizamuddin, and I'm the founder and CEO of WisdomQuant. We are on a mission to touch millions of lives and help you become job ready for the future of work. Don't get left behind. Lead the future with WisdomQuant.